Hello everybody. Today we're going to see the unboxing of Boditech ichroma HbA1c test kit. You can see this here. This kit comes with one box and there's one more box along with that. I'll just show you. You can see this here. It says ichroma HbA1c. And you can see the reference part number here. It says CFPC-38. The lot number is mentioned. Manufacturing date and expiry date is also mentioned. The CE-IVD certified product, manufactured by Boditech, made in Corporation, Korea. You can see this can be stored. This box can be stored in the room temperature, and 25 pieces in this box. Just quickly go through here the intended use. ichroma HbA1c is a fluorescent immunoassay for the quantitative determination of HbA1c, hemoglobin A1c in human whole blood. It is useful as an aid in management and monitoring of the long-term glycemic status in patients with diabetes mellitus. The box contains 25 cartridges, one ID chip, one instruction for use manual, and 25 detected buffer packed in a separate box. And this is that separate box. This is the separate box. This has to be made in the cold temperature, so I just kept it in the ice pack. And then you can see there's one hemolysis buffer vial that is also packed in a separate box. So let me open this box and then we go to the other box actually. Yeah. So this is how the box looks like. So let me go around. Okay, you can see this here. It says Boditech Incorporation, made in Corporation from Republic of Korea. And the certification body is also provided. Okay, I'll open this box for you. Here you go. Okay, inside the box you get one IFU. Open this IFU for you. Okay, this IFU is quite big sheet. It's almost like they got it like 4 folds. Yeah, okay. You can see this here. It says ichroma HbA1c. You can see this. This is how the sheet looks like. You can see this is ichroma HbA1c, and the intended use is given. Principle. So this sheet contains, the IFU sheet contains the key informations for you to conduct the test. It's like all the critical informations like the principle, the components inside, and the sample collection and processing, and the test setup to be done, caution to be taken, test procedure, and the interpretation of test results, and quality controls and performance characteristics. So you have the complete information to conduct this test. Okay, let me just put this back here. Just keep this here. Okay, I'll just keep this here. Just fold it and keep it here. And then there is one ID chip here. You can see it says ID chip HbA1c with the lot number is mentioned. Okay, then you can have the 25 cartridges here. Just take 2 out from this. And there you go. You can see it says ichroma HbA1c with the lot number is mentioned and the expiry date is mentioned. Okay, and then you have ichroma HbA1c reduction buffer box. I'll just show you this. You can see this box contains 25 reduction buffer on hemolysis buffer, and you can see the lot number is given, the expiry date and manufacturing date is given here. I'll open this box for you. This has to be stored in a room temperature. It's to be stored in a cold temperature between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. I can show you this here. Okay, there is one diluent hemolysis. You can see here. ichroma HbA1c hemolysis buffer with the lot number and the expiry date mentioned. This can also be kept in a room temperature. I'll just keep it along with that. And inside there is you can see there is a 25 buffers, reduction buffers. You can see the 25 pieces of reduction buffers. I can just pull one for you to show. You can see the liquid buffer inside. I'll just put it back. You can see this here. I'll just put it back. Okay. Okay, this is taken along with the ice gel pack, so we intend to maintain the temperature here. So quickly to summarize here, today we seen the unboxing of from Boditech ichroma HbA1c test kit. This is the 25 test kit pack, and the 25 test kit pack you get 2 boxes. In one box you contain the IFU brochure, 25 cartridges and 1 ID chip. There's another box with 2 to 8 degree temperature maintenance, where you get one deduction buffer, and you get 25 pieces of this is the hemolysis buffer and reduction buffer, 25 pieces of the reduction buffer. So this is how the total test kits looks like. Okay, IFU and this one, you can see this here. Okay, you can see the chip. Okay, and then you can see. Okay, this is how the total test kits looks like. Thank you.